Drive safe by limiting notifications and calls with OPPO driving mode. Let's get into it and learn how. Go to Settings and open Smart Services. Then tap Smart Driving. Tap Driving Mode to customize other settings. Tap Automatically Turn On when connected to Bluetooth Car Kit and toggle the switch on. For manual connectivity, tap Bluetooth Car Kit. Then tap Add Bluetooth Devices manually and select your Bluetooth device. To customize calls and messages, tap Do Not Disturb Driving, then tap Allow incoming calls from the following numbers. Select an option to allow or reject calls from specific contacts. Tap Automatically Switch to Speaker when an incoming call is connected. This will auto-enable the speaker when on a call. Now tap Ring for repeated calls, and the phone will ring when you get a call from same number within 3 minutes. Let's proceed and tap Auto Send SMS after a call is rejected. Toggle. Tap Reply Content, Edit Message and then tap Save. To block app-based calls, tap Block Incoming in-app voice and video calls. Toggle. And finally, to restrict unnecessary notification pop-ups, toggle on Block Banner Notification. Want to turn off driving mode? Just slide down the notification bar and tap End Driving Mode. Drive safe with OPPO.